What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can swap USDC for Bitcoin in the Phantom wallet. So that being USDC on Solana blockchain to Bitcoin on the Bitcoin blockchain. So let's get started. Now first off, once you load up your Phantom wallet right here, you will just need to head over to the swap tab, this one in the middle, in this bottom menu, and here you would need to select USDC as the top currency and Bitcoin as the bottom currency. So the top currency is what you pay and the bottom currency is what you receive. So I will just input, let's say $25 of USDC that I want to swap to Bitcoin. And as you can see, I got a better rate. So if you get a bad rate with a lot of fees, you would just need to re-input the number right here. So I pay about 27 cents in fees and some extra because it's a cross-blockchain transfer. So I will just tap on swap now. And it's buying Bitcoin right now. So let's go ahead and open up our home page. And right now, because Bitcoin is a bit slower, we will just need to wait for some time for Bitcoin to arrive to our wallet. So if we go to transactions, you can see the estimated waiting time, which for this transaction is about 20 minutes. So essentially, that's guys how you can cross-chain swap USDC from Solana blockchain to Bitcoin on the Bitcoin blockchain in Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.